Hello friends, this is C. Adarsh Joshi and I welcome you to Future of Education. Today I have an amazing news and which I want to share with you all. So before going there, I just want to show you something special. These are the comments section of my videos and these are some of the comments that I'm getting with respect to language of the class. So as you can see, people are saying, sir, some of the students are saying, sir, why don't you do it in English? Or maybe, sir, could you please use amounts in English? Or maybe, sir, why you all people always use Hindi? Okay, and some of the South Indian people they want classes in English. That is what the student says. And some of the students are saying, sir, please do see inter group 2 classes in English only and do more videos in, and you can, the list can go on and on and on, and there are plenty of you know comments which the people are asking me to teach in English. So now I've decided, okay, I have decided, okay, yeah, so I've decided that I will take a revision batch entirely in English. You guessed it right. Okay, so the moment I say revision batch, this is what comes to your mind. How to revise entire CA Interlaw as well as EIS before November attempt. So if you are one of those students, one of those lucky students, I would say, who have to give your exams in November, and now if you are preparing only one group, and now you'll have to prepare both of them, or else now if you were preparing both the groups, now you'll have to keep on revising them till the time of exams. So I request you all not to get lazy and start revising, because the things are going to get tougher now on. So let's, or maybe you need a revision batch entirely in English. So let's watch this video. I'll request you to watch this video and let's get to know what is in the package. So first and foremost, yes, we are starting a brand new revision batch entirely in English for two subjects: CA Inter Corporate and Other Laws, as well as CA Inter Enterprise Information System, which you call as EIS. So if you or anyone you know is interested in joining any of these classes, you know what you can do. You are getting all the contact details here. You can give me a call on 866-832-1907, or you can drop an email on futureofeducation1@gmail.com, or else you can log on to www.adarshjoshi.com and you can get the entire all the details about the classes there. So in this video also, I would want to give you some basics about how what all things you'll be getting in this classes. So let's see. First thing is, how much would it cost you to join the class? So for CA Inter Law, you just had to spend rupees 2,999. I've written onwards there. There's a reason for that. We'll come to that in some time. But for CA Inter Law, you have to spend only rupees 2,999 for entire corporate and other law revision. You'll get the validity of your videos would be 6 months. That, which means, what you mean by validity? Once you register for the product, it will be valid and available to you for next 6 months. Okay. Then views. We have kept the number of views unlimited, so you can open and close any of our lectures unlimited n number of times, and there's no bar on that as such. Then this is very important: how many times can you watch one lecture? So we have kept it 2, which means in 2,999 you are getting 2 revision classes, because you can watch the entire revision class once, and again you can watch the entire revision class once again, because one lecture, suppose there's a lecture of 2 hours, you can watch that lecture for 4 hours, which means you can watch the lecture twice. So we have kept the times to 2 times per lecture. Okay, and this validity, views and times, all these things can be increased with special request of student later on as well. We can, and at that time we can get to know about that as well. Along with that, of course, the language would be English. We'll be taking an entire revision in English. And about the books, so basically in 2,999 we will be giving you soft copy of our notes, but if any of you is interested in hard copy, then for that you will have to shell out some extra bucks. So that is the reason we have used the words onwards. So basically for lectures along with soft copy you will have to spend just 2,999, and for hard copy you will have to pay extra. So I would request you to, if needed only, then you can go for hard copy version, because for revision I don't recommend you to change your books just for the sake of revision. What I believe, that whatever book you have used for reading and revising, keep using the same book and you can revise with my video as well, or you can use institute study material as well. Now, one of the most important thing that I have to talk to about is query solving sessions. I take free query solving sessions for every student out there, no matter whether he is my student or not. I don't see a students that way. Even if you are a student of any other teacher, I don't mind solving your queries if you have some. So if you are not getting your queries solved, you can anyways come to me. You know my contact numbers now, so you can come to me and you can ask me your queries. We also take Zoom sessions every Saturday. You can join any of those sessions for solving your queries. And if this is entirely free, so it does not have to do anything with buying my class. So you can share this much information and this video with all your friends, so that if they have a query, they'll get a teacher to solve it. Now, what if, sir, I don't have a laptop or I don't have a computer? How would I watch your lectures? So rest assured, you can watch the lectures on your mobile as well. The same thing will go on for CA Inter EIS, but the prices would be different. For CA Inter EIS, you just have to pay rupees 1,999 for soft copy and revision. Why is CA Inter EIS rates lower than law? Because in law we'll have to cover corporate as well as other law. In EIS we are just covering 5 chapters of EIS. And if you are interested in SM revision as well, and if you are genuinely interested, then we can think of starting that class as well. So validity of this would be 6 months again, and views would be, and rest assured that everything would be same. So 2,999 for law, 1,999 for EIS. Okay, so now let's take control of our studies, and if you are interested, this is my contact number, and do share this video among every friend of yours. It will just take a couple of seconds for you to share, but trust me, you can save someone's 6 months by just sharing this good news with them. You're not asking them to buy, you're just sharing a good news that they can get their queries solved free of cost, or else if they are genuinely interested in revision classes, you can do that by joining my class. So for my entire earlier students who have already bought my classes which are in Hindi, let me tell you this: if you have now understood every concept in your language, that is Hindi, and now you know the concept, you have read it once, you have read it twice, and now you want to revise. So what happens is, when you do classes in Hindi, you are not able to write things down that properly because you're not studying in English. So to bridge the gap between Hindi studying and English writing student, because every one of us have to write papers in English, so to bridge a gap between that, this video lectures will be much like huge boon for you. This will be very efficient, effective, and the best way to bridge a gap between your studies and papers. So for English revision, I would recommend each and every one of you to always revise in English, so that you get much comfortable with the language and you can write things up in exams. So for English learning students, like the people who understand English, or maybe from students from South India, who wants to get some revision lectures in English, this is the wonderful opportunity for you guys. And even if you love watching lectures in Hindi, but I would request you to revise them in English, so that it becomes easy for you to write the exam. So for you, all of you guys, this is a wonderful opportunity. Give me a call on this number to know more about the classes. We are going to start right away. Okay, and I'll also show you one more thing. This is my website. I've built a website for you, wherein you can get to know about me, my YouTube channel, my lectures. You can see my demo lectures, and you can buy all the products that I have. Currently I have 24 products listed on my website which are ready to be sold, and because I've made all this type of lectures, so that students can decide for themselves what they want and how they want it, and they'll pay only for what they need. So this is the reason I've made so many products. So if you are interested in any of this, you know what to do. You just have to contact me, and or else you can go to my website and buy the lectures yourself. So I hope I made everything clear, and if you have any queries, you know where to find me. And do please do share this video among your friends as well. So thanks a lot for a wonderful time. See you in our next video. God bless you all.